All right, what are we doing today?
We're gonna build another one of these feeders for your chickens that'll last a lot longer.
Awesome. Yeah, we've got 6 chickens, and they go through their food quickly, huh?
This used to be their old food, and we put it in, and they kept eating it up so fast. So we made some new big tubes.
So we're gonna make another one of these, and we'll show you the steps. This is a 3-inch diameter. It's basically 3.5 here, end to end, by 10-foot pole, and we decided to make 4 out of these. So we're doing them each about 30 inches long. So we marked that off right here, and we're gonna show you the other pieces. Do you want to grab those, son? Someone's burning.
Oh, are we just doing food?
These are 2 separate things. This is a 45, right, and this is a 90. 45 and 90.
Correct.
All right. Yeah. So these are 2 things. These 2 separate things we got at the store, and we just combined them.
Yep, and that way when it goes on the end, it's not too high that they can't get in, but it's just enough that they can get their heads in there. So now we've gone ahead and marked off the spot we want to cut, and we've got our saw here. We'll go ahead and give it a cut. Building anything, we need to make sure we're being safe. So we're going to go ahead and put on our goggles as we're using the saw, and we're going to make sure we keep our fingers away. We want to keep all of our fingers intact. We'll have one of the boys holding this end here while I hold this side right here. So my helper, son, hop on over and hold that secure for us. And we're going to make sure we have our battery intact, and we need to make sure we're charged, and I think this one's not charged. Son, you want to go grab the other battery? And move a little bit more and we should be finished. Hopefully we're pretty close. One more little cut. We got some thunder. Lightning. Who wants to sing it?
Okay. Oh my gosh, these bugs are killing me.
I can video. I want video.
I'm good. Just itchy so bad. We're on 6 turns like halfway.
All right. We've got our end here, 2 pieces, and we'll clean it off. One of you want to take the hose to it, or actually we could probably just blow it. All right. That's part 1.